Welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you on how to change the door handle. It's a very simple process, just follow the video. First, open the drawing file. Select the cabinet handle you want to change. Then double-click on it. This is the 3D view for your reference. You can see the handle type here. Select the section, then go to Properties from the top ribbon. Inside Properties, you will see the Hardware option. Inside the Hardware section, the first option is Pull Schedules. Click the drop-down menu below it. Select any handle you need from the database list, as per your requirement. Now, you can see that the handle has been changed in the model. You can follow the same steps to try different handles for better understanding. This list is linked to your library database. Only the items that are available in your database will be visible here. Now you can see that the second handle has also been changed successfully. Good job, you've learned how to change cabinet handles. In tomorrow's video, we'll see how to change G-profile and Gola profile handles.